Good evening, Lamai. Can all of you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, give me a second. Okay, Lamai. We'll start the class. I'm sorry for the little delay. Where did we stop last day? Also, Happy New Year. And I hope 2026 will be a great year and a prosperous year, a joyful year. And especially you guys will be done with O levels this year. So even though O levels itself might not be very good news, the fact that you will be completing it and be done with it definitely is good news, right? So after February, you don't have to worry about O levels. So yeah, so I think 2026 will be a good year for both me and you, right? Not just the exam, but also everything that follows up, right? Whatever your like further studies maybe, whatever you plan to do. So what I think is that just because we say we wish somebody or we think for ourselves that okay, this year is going to be a great year, just thinking I think is not enough, right? Of course you have to manifest, and I am somebody who believes in like law of attraction, right? Have you heard of law of attraction? Am I? Anybody who has heard of? Yeah. So I'm somebody who really believes it, and I think for me it has worked. So certain things that I may not have like consciously manifested, but things that I have manifested over the years, they have come true. So I'm a firm believer of law of attraction, but I also think that whatever we manifest, they don't come true unless you work for it, because it's not magic, right? වානිකං බෝධයක් ඉස්සරහට ගිහිල්ලා හරි පල්ලියකට ගිහිල්ලා හරි කෝවිලකට ගිහිල්ලා හරි කොහෙට හරි ගිහිල්ලා මට මේක දෙන්න කියලා ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරාට කවුරුත් එහෙම ගෙනත් දෙන්නේ නැහැ. Maybe ඔයාගේ මොනා හරි spiritual දෙයකින් හරි ඔයාගේ luck එක හරි නැත්නම් ඔයා manifest කරලා universe එකෙන් හරි ඔයාට හරි path එකට පෙන්වන්න පුළුවන්, right? You will be thrown to the correct direction, you will be shown the right path, but you have to go through that path, right? So you have to go through the difficulties, the obstacles, overcome them. So unless we work for it, nothing comes true. So Ekahinda, now we usually like start a new year with like so much positivity and a positive mindset, and we make like new year resolutions and all that. I don't know if you have made, because with O levels in mind, I don't think you really have much of space in your mind for anything else. But even if you make new year resolutions, it's not just like okay, I just make a list of things. I want to lose weight, I want to get 9 A's, I want to get 9 B's, or I want to like let's say one other, maybe like if you play a sports to get better. So just writing a list doesn't work unless you have a proper plan for it, right? So I think that is the level of positivity we need to have. Nikang harima බොරුවට කිසිම බේස් එකක් නැතුව කිසිම ෆවුන්ඩේෂන් එකක් නැතුව බොරුවට I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do that, this is going to be this එහෙම කියලා නිකන් හිතන එක නෙවෙයි. What we should do, instead have a plan. Okay, if you're going to lose weight, okay, I'm going to work out these days. So a dream or like a wish that is followed up by a plan, like a proper workflow, now that is real. That will come true. So Ekahinda, start the year with a lot of positivity. I'm pretty sure you guys have. And goals, a list, but also have a plan for them. Okay. And yeah, always think positively about life. Ekan monkey law of attraction, Yanamanika mentioned kare. I mean, not all of you have to follow it or but you can read about it and see. Because I'm not lying when I say that manifesting things have worked for me, right? Ekanisa. Okay. So since today is 1st of January and you guys are kohomari other class agarama set vela tiyena 1st of January tibba kela mata oganda holidays denna bෑ මොකද Christmas holiday එක දුන්නානේ. I mean last Thursday it was like exactly on the Christmas day, so it was not okay for me to do the class, but 1st of January I guess it's okay. But regardless of whatever the plans you may have, I'm glad that all of you came to the class. So we will start today's class, but before that, I want to tell you all something. We will be planning a set of extra classes, right? I think Mamika last month to Togan Poda mentioned Karan Atti. Yeah, I think I told you last month also. December vela man classes karada kiwwa extra classes ටිකක් අපිට අනිවාර්යෙන් දාගන්න වෙනවා, right? So science වලටත් වඩා maths වල ටිකක් වැඩිපුර අපිට classes ටිකක් දාගන්න වෙනවා. So since the mornings will generally be free, I will be taking the mornings. So එතකොට සමහර mornings සමහර අයට බැරි වෙන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම වුණොත් අපි recording එකෙන් ඒක cover කරගෙන let's move like that, right? So your next extra class would be 5th. ඔගන්ගේ exam පටන් ගන්න කවුද ළමයි? exam දවසක clash වෙන්න හොඳ නෑ ඒකයි. exam පටන් ගන්නේ 5th නේ. Okay. මට timetable එකත් හම්බ වුණා මං හිතන්නේ. Let me check. කවුද මට timetable එක එව්වා? So here 5th we have 5th තමයි තියෙන්නේ religion and ethics, 6th 7th 8th 9th then ආයමත් ලොකු gap එකක් තියෙනවානේ 10th ඊට පස්සේ 21st. Is that right? 5th 6th 7th 8th 9th and then there's a gap and then 21st and 22nd. එහෙමද exam එක වැටලා තියෙන්නේ? Okay. එහෙනම් අපිට කොහොමද time එක ගන්න පුළුවන් because term test දවස් ටිකේ ගන්න එක it's not very practical. I mean it doesn't work that way. මට මතක තිබේ 6th exam පටන් ගන්නවා කියලා. එහෙම වුණොත් we will have to skip next week. මොකද 5 ඉඳන් 9 වෙනකම්ම exams තියෙනවා. ආයේ තියෙන්නේ 20. Let me just go through my calendar. එතකොට එතන සති දෙකක් විතර gap සතිකමාරක් විතර gap එකක් තියලා. Okay. Then 12 to 16th week is what we have. And then 20th to 30th we have again. Okay. I guess that's all right. And also regarding the lessons that we have to do. I made a list of lessons, 1 second. We finished trigonometry or do we still have to do? Do we have remaining trigonometry? Where did we stop? Anamai, quickly tell me. Okay, where did we stop? Cosine table එක කරාද? Okay, that's good progress. But did we do any questions? Did I give any homework? මම එතකම් whiteboard එක share කරන්නම්. එතකම් ඔයගොල්ලන් කියන්න did I give any homework? And did we do exercises? of reading trigonometric tables? Oh, did I? මං කරනවා කියනවා කරන්නේ නැහැ නේ. I have asked you, I have said that I will send the homework in the group. I'm sorry. We did some questions together. Okay. So I don't know. I don't. Well, you might benefit from this a bit, but I recently hired a very credible and a good assistant. So එතකොට ඒ කියන්නේ මට කීප දෙනෙක් මේ හිටියව part time කරන, but it didn't work really. But this time I have a full time employee helping like as an assistant. So එතකොට ඔක්කොම messages homework දෙනවා ඔක්කොම එතකොට යාගේ through තමයි කෙරෙන්නේ. ඔගලන්ට පොඩ්ඩක් කල් benefit කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි January month එකේ, but yeah, since I'm very forgetful I decided to do that. It's just because of the workload ළමයි. හරි. Let's get our textbook. Okay. So we have done the cosine table and we have done some questions during the class. Okay, I think we can directly jump to exercises now. Go to page. Wait. Okay. All right. Go to page 30. In your textbook, go to page 30. අපි ගොඩක් කරන්න නැතුව කීපයක් කරමු just to again refresh our memory and to see if we remember. කරන්න බලන්න in exercise 18.4 question number 1 එකේ do it now. Question number 1 එකේ see. Question number 2 එකේ see. Page is 30. Question number 2C, 3C and 4C. මේ හතර මුලින් කරන්න බලන්න. මම ඔයගලන්ට time එක set කරන්නම් 7 minutes වගේ. ටක් ගාලා හොයන්න 7 minutes. Make it fast. Quickly. Okay, some of you are done. You have 1.5 minutes again, roughly. Okay, seems like everybody's done. Anybody who needs more time? Seems like I have underestimated you all and I have given too much time. Okay, we'll discuss. The class is recording, no? Yeah. Okay. So, 1C. 1C is tan 40 degrees 54 minutes. Tan 40 degrees 54 minutes. Okay, आपको answers क्या है बाल? Answers वर्दी ना I will discuss. Okay, I got one answer 0.8662. Tavisha, yes, what did you get?
0.8466.
8466.
Yes.
Okay, then I also have like 0.8660. Alright, we have to discuss this, no? 1 second. Let's get our make it tan yes, tan table. Give me a second. Let me copy this tan table. Tangents. This is 40. Okay. Balu पे tan table लिखिए. What we want is 40 degrees 54 minutes. So 40 degrees කියන එක මම බලනවා මෙතන. 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. This is 40 degrees. මෙතන 40 degrees, right? And then මොකද ආයි තියෙන්නේ 54 minutes. So 40 degrees minutes ගාන මම බලන්නේ උඩින් නේ. 50. 50 කියන්නේ මෙතන. 50. මෙතන 40. So here I get 0.8642. 0.8642. අන්තිමට 4 කියලා තියෙනවනේ. ඒ අන්තිම 4 එක ගන්න I take it from the mean difference. 4. Here no 4. Okay, so let's go down, 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 down. It's 20. So 8462 plus 20, we get 0.8662. So the answer is 0.8662. Is that clear to all of you? Please give me a thumbs up. Oh shit. I'm sorry, Ramai. There's nothing there. It was right beside my ear. Okay. Okay. Then 2C. Tan theta equals 0.9432. Okay, let's see. Tan theta equals 0.9432. Let me tell you something. If you ever, if you do the firecrackers, it's not a good thing. Don't do it. Because අපිට අපේ temporary fun එක ආතල් එක we will get it. But still, it's very hard for animals. It's really hard. Because in science, we learned, no, waves wala, ape frequency එක, our frequency is between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. එතනින් එහාට ඒවා අපිට ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ. So firecracker එක අපිටත් loud වැඩි, right? It's quite loud for us, but it's fun. So people do it. I don't do it, but people do it. But for like animals, especially dogs, cats lage කොහොමද කියලා මට ලොකු knowledge එකක් නැහැ. But I know dogs lage frequency එක ඊට වඩා වැඩි. So you got a 20,000 hertz වලට වඩා වැඩි frequencies උත් ඇහෙනවා. So firecracker එකේ අපිට ඇහෙන්නේ නැති frequencies ඒගොල්ලන්ට ඇහෙනවා. It's really hard for them, right? So I don't really see the fun of it. But if you are doing it currently, I would like advise you not to do it. Again, at the end of the day, it's your choice whether you do it or not, whether you use firecrackers or not. But it's better if you don't, because it's not just us living there. Satut inne pai. Because last night also ape bawut එක මාර අමාරුවෙන් හිටියා I think. because there was a lot of firecrackers. Okay. What is the answer you got for this? I got one answer, 43 degrees, 30 minutes. Then I have another one, 43 degrees, 19 minutes. Any other answers? What about others? What did you all get? Again, I got 43 degrees, 19 minutes. Then I got 43 degrees, 29 minutes. I make a answers, Lamai. Let's see, 0.9432. Balum 0.9432. I'm going to erase karana. 0.949 0.94 9432 9432 ළඟ කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ 9432 ට ළඟම තියෙන්නේ 9380 නේ. Seems like this is the closest one to 9432. Can I see again? What is it? 9432. අපිට ඕනේ 0.9432. If we don't have 0.9432, we have to get what is immediately before it. මෙතන තියෙන 0.9435 එක වැඩි නේ. එහෙනම් අපිට 0.9380 ගන්න වෙනවා. 0.9380 කියන්නේ මෙතන 43 degrees. Okay. මෙතන උඩ තියෙන්නේ up. We have 10 minutes. So මම එතන 10 එකෙන් 1 එක ගන්නම්. And what we have is 0.9380. What we want is 0.9432. So 80 can 80, 90, I 400, 410, 420, 430, 32. That means our 52 madi. A 52 අපි mean difference එකෙන් ගන්න ඕනේ. මම mean difference එකට මේක drag කරලා මෙතන තියෙනවා 6 11 52 නෑ but 50 තියෙනවා. That is the closest one no. So we have to get 50. So 50 වලට අදාළ මෙතන value එක මොකක්ද? 9. So we have to get 9. Okay. So here 43 degrees 19 minutes is the answer. 43 degrees 19 minutes. Is that clear, Lamai? Thumbs up, please. Third decade C. Third decade C, sine 25 degrees 57 minutes. Sine 25 degrees, again what? 57 minutes. 0.4376. So that is one of the answers. What else? What are the other answers? Okay. 4376, 4379, then 4376, 4376. Anitha උත්තර දෙන්න. I'm pretty sure all of you did that. කවුද නොකර හිටියේ නෑනේ. Since this is sine, I have to get the sine table. Initially what I had was the tan table. 4826. Okay, we'll see. මම sine table එක ගන්නම්. Sine table එකේ මම ඕනේ page එක විතරක් ගන්නම්. Right here. Okay. This is the sine table. First page එක තමයි මම ගත්තේ. What I want is, I'm sorry for moving the whiteboard a lot. අර තනින් තනට යන්න ඕන හින්දා තමයි move කරා. 25 degrees 57 minutes. Okay. 25 degrees. මොන අපි degrees බලලිමු 25. 25 is here. So 25 degrees 57. මෙතනින් 50 එන්න ඕනේ. So මෙතනින් 50 එන්න ඕනේ. මෙතනින් 25 එන්න ඕනේ. So answer is මෙතන 0.4358. 0.4358. That is 23 degrees 50 minutes ne. What we want is 57. Through 7 tika I get from the mean difference. So make radalene 18. So I will add 18 to this. 8, 8, 16, 1 remaining, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4. 0.4376. Is that clear to all of you? .4376. අපි අනිත් එක ටක් ගාලා ඩිස්කස් කරමු. Third එකේ fourth එකේ C, no? Fourth එකේ C I gave as sin theta equals 0.6437. Okay, 40 degrees, 4 minutes මට answers දෙකක් ආවා. What else? Other answers that you all got? .40 degrees, 4 minutes again. All right, let's see. 0.6437. 6437. 0.6437. Otherwise, I'm going to forget. Erase karana. Let's check our sign table and see if we can get this value. 6437. 6437. Hari. 6437 නෑ හැබැයි යාට කලින් ඉන්නවා 6428. So එයාට අදාළ මේ පැත්තේ තියෙනවා 40 degrees. So 40 degrees. මෙතන තියෙනවා if you go up 0 minutes. So එතන 0. Then what we want is 0.6437. What there is 0.6428. So 28 to 37, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. We need 9. A 9 ma mean difference වලින් ගන්නවා. See here 9 තියෙනවා. So a 9 වලට අදාළ මොකද number එක කියලා I check from here at the top I get 4. So yes, your answer is correct. That is 40 degrees 4 minutes. Minutes වල මේ 0 එක හලන්න එපා. Put the 0 as well. 40 degrees 4 minutes. Okay. Okay, I want you to try the last two. කරන්න බලන්න fifth එකේ C. Fifth එකේ C කරන්න බලන්න. Cos 44 degrees 10 minutes එක එකක්. And then sixth එකේ C එකක් කරන්න. Which is 0.99 what cos theta. Cos theta equals 0.99. Okay, good. Others also quickly do. I will set a timer for 4 minutes. Make it fast. Okay, seems like most of you are done. What about others? Okay. Okay, it's okay. I'll give you 1 more minute. Timer phone, I'll give you 1 more minute. Make it fast. Okay, Lama, we'll discuss. Cos 44 degrees, 8 minutes, 10 minutes. But we need our other sign. We can sign the page. Tell me what you got as answers. Okay.
Zero point 0.7050.
Okay, we'll see. What do we have to find again? 44 degrees, 10 minutes. අපි sine table එකේම opposite side එකට තමයි cos read කරන්නේ නේ. So we will read cos 44 degrees. 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, blah, blah. And here 44. එක මේ පැත්තෙන් read කරන්න. 10 minutes. එතන minutes ගාන බලන්න මෙතනින්. So මෙතන 0, මෙතන 10. So this is where 10 is. So මම එක line එකක් මෙහෙම අඳින්නම් so that it's easy for me to read. So I get 0.7173. 10 minutes කියන්නේ තාම මොනවත් අපි mean difference එකෙන් ගන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. So my answer is yes, 0.7173. 0.7173. 0.7173. Then what did you get here for theta? Okay, others? Okay, so we'll see. Now again, you know, cos we read from the sine table. So sine table okay, 0.9974. We'll see. Make a sine table, make a sine table. Let me erase everything that I have written here. What is my value again? 0.9974. We'll see. 997. There's a number, no? 9974. කෙලින්ම තියෙනවා. So ඒකට අදාළ මේ පැත්තේ I have 4 degrees. So it's 4 degrees. And here I have 10 minutes. Okay, that was pretty easy, no? 4 degrees, 10 minutes. So here, 4 degrees, 10 minutes. Okay. Now we will directly move on to questions, right? Questions, Monat, tapi examples karanno na, we will straight away jump to the exercise. Move to exercise 18.5. අපි අද ඉක්මනට trig ඉවර කරලා past paper questions ටික කරමු. Exercise 18.5. Shall we try the third question? මම question එකේ screenshot එකක් දාන්නම් board එකට. Let's try the third question here. මේකට මම ඔයගලන්ට දෙන්නම් හොඳට හිතලා බලන්න. හොඳට හිතලා බලලා ආන්සර් හොයන්න. For this I will give you time එකක් ඕනේ නැහැ. කරන්න බලන්න. As soon as you finish, let me know. Chat එකේ දාන්න that you are done or finished. Quickly do. Let me know when you're done, Lamai. Make it fast. Okay, others also let me know when you're done. Lamai, who finished Roman number 1? Finish Roman number 1. Give me a thumbs up if you have finished Roman number 1. Okay. Others? I can't give you too much time. I will give you like another 3 more minutes. I think that would be enough time. Quickly do. Lamai, shall we discuss? I think this would be enough time. Okay, Akib, others? Akib done, Binuti done. What about others? Okay, let's anyway start to discuss. We will see. Okay, Senet. Then if you have made any mistakes or if you got stuck at a certain point because you were confused, we will clarify all of those. Based on the information in the given figure, find the perimeter of the triangle ABC. So our triangle ABC is this now. මේ තමයි ABC. මෙයාගේ perimeter එක හොයන්න ඕනේ. In order to find the perimeter, if you look at here, මෙන්න මේ length එක අපිට තියෙනවා. Perimeter එක එතන 5 centimeters තියෙනවා. How can I find this length? මෙන්න මේ length එක මම කොහොමද හොයාගන්නේ? AC. How do I find AC? How do I find the length of AC? Make it up. Okay. If you take the angle, now in order to use trigonometry, we need a right angle triangle. අපි මෙන්න මේ right angle triangle එක ගමු. Sorry, we will take this right angle triangle. ADC. Yeah. ADC කියන right angle triangle එක තමයි මම දැන් consider කරන්නේ. In that, angle එකක් තියෙනවා. So angle එකක් තියෙන්න මෙපා whether to use sine or cos or tan, we need an angle. So we have an angle 40 degrees. ඒ angle එකට opposite side එක තියෙනවා. Right? Opposite side is 5 centimeters. So opposite side එක තියෙනවා. Angle එකක් තියෙනවා, opposite side එකක් තියෙනවා. අපිට ඕනේ මෙන්න මේ length එක හොයාගන්න. That is AC in this particular triangle, that is the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is what we have to find. So angle එකක් තියෙනවා, opposite side එකක් තියෙනවා, hypotenuse එකක් හොයන්න නම් opposite side and hypotenuse relevant when it's sine, right? So that means we have to get sine 40. Sine 40. So sine 40 කියන්නේ opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side is 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. අපි මොකද්ද කියලා දන්නේ නැහැ. So I will just put AC. Now I need to find sine 40. Can you all find the value of sine 40 and tell me? Sine 40, what is it? What is the value of sine 40? Yeah, others? Caliber sine table එකේ 40 වලට ගියාම ඒක තේරෙනවා, right? So I will not do it again. It's 0.6428. හැබැයි කාට හරි එක මම කරන්න ඕන නම් please tell me, I will do it. 0.6428. 6428 equals 5 over AC. Now I want to find AC නේ. So මම AC මෙතනට ගෙනල්ලා මේක පල්ලෙහාට ගේනවා. So I bring AC here. I get 5 divided by 0.6428. How do I do this kind of a calculation? Don't you think this is a bit too complicated? මේ වගේ division එකක් මම කොහොමද කරන්නේ? Yes. Others? I got one answer. What about others? How do I do a division like this? Huh? How would you do a division like this? Yes, Sonaka, yes, Binuti, others? ඔයගලන්ට මේ වගේ calculation එකක් කරන්න උනොත් how would you do? You can use a calculator, but at the exam, do you have a calculator? No. Then what would you use? Logarithms. මෙන්න මේවට තමයි ළමයි logarithms තියෙන්නේ. This is exactly why we have logarithms, right? So, usually, now if you use logarithms, if you take something like this, 0.6428 ගත්තහම default position එකකට වඩා එකක් ඉස්සරහන්නේ decimal place එක තියෙන්නේ. So bar 1 කියලා නෙන්නේ bar 1 ආවම ටික කරදරයි. bar values ආවම ටික කරදරයි. So what I'm going to do is මම මේ උඩයි යටයි දෙකම 10 වලින් multiply කරනවා. So I get 5 multiplied by 10, 50. 0.626428 multiplied by 10 is 6.428 is AC. So now I'm going to use log. It's a bit of a lengthy question, right? But then ඕගලන් ඉන්න තරමේ හැටියට මෙටි ටට ගාලා කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. That is why I didn't give you ages to do this, right? Log AC equals log of 50. Division means subtraction, right? Log ගොන LG කියලා අපි දාන්නේ. LG AC equals LG 50 minus LG 6.428. Can you all find LG 50, please? Make it fast. හරියට කලින් ඉස්සරහට නම්බර් එකත් එක්කම කියන්න බලන්න. What is log 50? Okay, others? නිකම්ම 6990 කියන්න බෑ. කොහොමද දෙන්නේ? 0.6990 or 1.6990 how? අමතක වෙලාද මේවා දැන්? The default position of the decimal point is here. ඒ කියන්නේ decimal point එකට කලින් value එකක් තියෙන එක number එකක් තියෙනවා නම් that is the default position. එතන decimal point එක තිබ්බනම් you put 0 point here. හැබැයි දැන් මෙතන default position එකේ ඉඳලා එකක් පස්සට ගිහිල්ලානේ මෙතන decimal point එක තියෙන්නේ. So you put 1 point. 1 point, when you read 50 in the log table, you get 6990 minus this one. Metana, this is where the decimal point is. Before the decimal point, there's only one number with a value. Here in the default position, so we start with 0 point. Mama thwana ogolo thwan. Fast. 6428 ne. Yes, what did you get? What did y'all get? I found the answer. Biruti, yes. What about others? Okay, Onelka. Others? Anyone else? 6.428 wala log value veka. No? Tavisha, Manisha, Akib, Nilaka, then Senet, Tiseni, Numi. What is the log value of 6.428? කියන්න කටි කියනක මම move on වෙන්නේ නැහැ මේ question එකෙන් දවසක් මේක කර කර ඉන්න වෙයි because you can't just be like that. I can't hear you, Tavisha. You're laggy. Tavisha, I couldn't hear you earlier.
I'm still working on it. Just hang on a second.
Okay. I still didn't hear you. I think there's a connection issue. I don't know whether it's from my end or your end. Anyways, මෙතන එන්නේ 8080. Right? 8080. ඕගලා මෙතන 10 වලින් multiply කරේ නැත්නම් bar වලින් එනවා. එතකොට bar වලින් එයි. Right? කොහොම කරත් final answer should be the same, no? So we will see. Then we subtract. 0 වලින් 0 අඩු කරාම 0, 9 වලින් 8 අඩු කරාම 1, 9 වලින් 0 අඩු කරාම 9, 6 වලින් 8 අඩු කරන්න බෑ, 16 වලින් 8 අඩු කරාම 8, so මෙතන 0. Now this is log AC. What I want is AC ne. So AC means anti-log 0.8910. Can you all find 8910? Okay. Mm-hmm. 89. මොකක්ද 8910? 891. කෙලින්ම තියවන 8910. That is 778. කෙලින්ම answer කෙනවා 778. මෙතන 0 point තියෙන හින්දා that means default position එකේ තමයි decimal place එක තියන්න. So the length of AC is 7.78 centimeters. So මම මෙතන එක ලියන්නම් AC ගේ length එක 7.78 centimeters. Did you all understand that? Please give me a thumbs up if you understood up to that point. Anybody who wants me to explain, please let me know. අපිට round off කරන්න කියලා තියෙනවද? To which decimal place කියලා නැහැනේ. අනිත් එක අපිට perfect number එකකුත් හම්බුණානේ. So it's better to leave. ඒ කියන්නේ decimal places ගොඩාක් තියෙනවා නම්, and if they have asked you to find it accurate to 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places or anything as such, then it's better to round off. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔක්කොම හොයලා අන්තිම එකේ round off කරන්න. මෙතන අපිට perfectlyම 7.78 කියලා ආවනේ. So better to keep it like that. Okay. So නේ AC ආවා. Right. දැන් අපි මෙයාව හොයාගන්නත් ඕනේ, මෙයාව හොයාගන්නත් ඕනේ. How can we find this? This is a bit tricky, right? මොකද මම මේ දැන් මේ triangle එක erase කරලා මෙන්න මේ triangle එක ගන්නම්. මේ triangle එක ගත්තාම the problem is ළමයි angle එකක් තියෙනවා. එක side එකකවත් length එකක් අපිට නැහැ. We have the angle but we don't have the length of a single side. Then මොකක්ද අපි කරන්නේ මේකට? I don't have the length of a single side. Sine use කරන්නත් බෑ, cos use කරන්නත් බෑ, tan use කරන්නත් බෑ. I need to have at least the length of one side. So, මෙතන පොඩි advantage එකක් තියෙනවා. Can I find this length? Is there a possibility for me to find that length? How? How? Yes, you can use Pythagoras. Any other way? Any other way to find this without Pythagoras? You can use maybe tan. See? Tan 40 කියන්නේ opposite side එකත් අපිට තියෙනවා over adjacent side. So tan 40 කියන්නේ angle එකක් තියෙනවා, එක side එකකුත් තියෙනවා, ඒතර අනිත් side එක හොයන්න පුළුවන්. So you can use either tan 40 නැත්නම් Pythagoras use කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. Okay? So since අපි දැන් මෙතන sin cos tan එකක් කරපු ඉඳන් මම Pythagoras වලින් මේක කරලා පෙන්නනවා. So I will consider this triangle and I will apply Pythagoras. AD squared plus DC squared equals AC squared. So AD squared is what I don't know yet. DC is 5, so it's 5 squared equals AC is 7.78 squared. So AD squared equals 7.78 squared minus 5 squared. So how would you simplify this? 7.78 squared with ඕන log දාලා හොයන්න පුළුවන්. So 7.78 squared That means 2LG 7.78. Then 2 times make a log value එක හොයලා. Shall we do it like that? එහෙම නැත්නම් කෙලින්ම ඔයාලට multiply කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. So මෙතන 7.78 වල log value එක ගත්තා. ඒක 2 ගෙන් multiply කරා. You get the answer. Then you find the antilog and you get the value. 7.78 squared. Or you can just multiply those two and get the answer. Like this. 7.78. So 7.78 multiplied by 7.78. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 7 is 56. 56 plus 6 is 62. 56, 62, 6 remaining. 8 times 7 is 56 plus 6, 62. 7 times 8 is 56, 5 remaining. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 5 is 54. 5 remaining. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 5 is 54. Then again 7 times make a minute. So 4, 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12, 1 remaining. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, plus 1, 15, 1 remaining, 5, 5, 10, 6. So there are 4 decimal places. I'm going to keep 4 decimal places. I get 60.5284. Did you understand this? Up to this point, is it clear? It's better to round off. Otherwise, it's too complicated. Up in 2 decimal places, round off. So 60.5284 round off. 60.53. 8, right? So 60.53 minus 5 times 5 is 25. So make a subtract 60 wali 25 subtract 35. That is AD squared. So AD means square root of this. ඒකට නම් පුතේ අපිට logarithm use කරන්න වෙනවා. Right? We will have to use logarithms. LG. Otherwise, I mean, මේ වගේ හක් අපිට තව කරන්න පුළුවන් එක්ක first approximation method එකට කරන්න පුළුවන් නැත්නම් division method එකට කරන්න පුළුවන්. But the easiest method, as I feel, is logarithms. Logarithms are so easy. ඔගානේ රටක් ගාලා එක practice එක තිබ්බහම හරිම ලේසි. Log AD equals මෙතන තියෙන්නේ square root means to the power half. So we get half LG 3553. So half log of 3553. So you have to go to the logarithmic table. 355 කියන්නේ 5502 355 and then 3, that is 4. So we get 5506. 5506. Default and decimal point. Therefore, I put 1 point. Up to that point, is it clear, am I? Because I think I'm moving a bit too fast. That's why I'm asking. Okay, everybody. Manisha, Nilaka, Onilka, Senet, Tavisha, Tiseni. Okay, great. So we will divide this by 2. 1 will 0, then 15 will 2 times 7 is 14, 15 will 1 remaining. That 1 plus 5 is again 15. 2 times 7, 14, 1 remaining, then 10. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 3 is 6. So AD කියන්නේ antilog of 0.7753. Then let's find 0.7753. 7753. 7752 තියෙනවා. 7752 is 596. 596. That is 7752. 1 එකතුරු වෙනවා. එක මෙතන 1. So මෙතන 0 point තියෙන හින්දා default position එකේම මම decimal point එක තිබ්බා. So AD equals 5.961 centimeters. I can round it off and write 5.96. So you might wonder, why am I not rounding off to one decimal place? Why am I rounding off to two decimal places? Generally, maths questions karadi, there is a rule. In the question, if they have not given you kochara decimal places ගානකට round off කරන්නද කියලා, you have to round it off to two decimal places. දීලා නැත්නම් just round it off to two decimal places. දීලා තියෙනවා නම් දීලා තියෙන ගානට round off කරන්න. ඔන්න අපිට AD ආවා. So AD is 5.96 centimeters. Up to that point, is it clear? Thumbs up. Okay. Tan වලින් කරොත් මේකම tan වලින් කරොත් කොහොමද කරන්නේ? සමහර decimal point ගණක හැර මෙහාට වෙනස් වෙන්න පුළුවන්, but you should get the same answer. මෙතන tan වලින් කරොත් we have 40 here, we have opposite side here, we need adjacent side, right? So මම එක වෙන තැනකින් කරන්නම්. I will do it somewhere here. So tan 40 equals opposite side is 5, adjacent side is what I don't know, AD. What is the value of tan 40, lamai? Tan 40, that is 0.8391, right? Mange answers වැරදි නම් කියන්න. Even teachers sometimes can get it wrong by mistakes. 0.8391. 5 divided by AD. So I will bring AD here and this here. So I have AD equals 5 divided by 0.8391. So I have no other way to simplify this than converting it to logarithms. So when I convert it to logarithms, if I have 0 point, that becomes bar ne. ඒක හින්දා තමයි මම ඇත්තටම මෙහෙම 10 වලින් multiply කරන්නේ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ කැමති නම් bar වලින් තියන්න. It's okay. But bar values සමහරවල් ළමයිට පැටලෙනවා. Kind of like easily confused, that's why. So we have AD equals 50 divided by 8.391. I will convert this to log. So log AD equals log 50 minus log 8.391. 50 කියන්නේ 6990. Here, this is the default position. හැබැයි ඒකට වඩා එකක් පස්සට ගිහිලානේ තියෙන්නේ decimal place එක. So it's 1 point. Minus 8.391. Default position එකේම තමයි decimal point එක තියෙන්නේ. So I put 0 point. And now 8391 I have to read from the log table. 8. 1 second. 8, 3. 839. 839 can 9238 plus 1 9239. වැරදි නා කියන්න 9239. Check ඔයගොල්ලන් මං කියන එක වහගෙන නැතුව ඔයගොල්ලෝ check කරලා බලන්න. Now we will do the subtraction. 1.6990 0.9239 0 only 9 subtract කරන්න බෑ. So 10 minus 9 is 1. So here it's not 9, 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 6, 9 wali bad. 16 minus 9 is 7. Right? 0. So I get 0.7751. 1 second. Okay. So now I will find AD. AD would be anti-log of this. Anti-log of 0.7751. So 7751 I will read from my log table. 7751 කියන්නේ 59.5. That is 59.5 කියන්නේ 7745. 45 වලට වඩා 6ක් වැඩි. 6 එක මම ගන්නවා මෙතන 8 වලින්. 8. So 0 point means default position එකේ තියන්නේ. So that is in centimeters. When you round it off, you get 5.96 centimeters. Values වල චූටි වෙනසක් එනවා decimal. Here 5.958. Here 5.961. But when you round it off to two decimal places, then I give a shape, ne? 5.96. Okay, is this clear? Manisha, is it clear? Okay, all right. Okay, තව අපිට තියෙනවානේ. දැන් අපිට මෙන්න මේ triangle එක තමයි ගන්න ඕනේ. If I take this triangle, now I have one angle and I have one side. So I need to find this side and this side. How do I do that? දැන් මේ angle එක ගත්තොත් එහෙම මේ angle එකට opposite side එක තියෙනවා. Hypotenuse එක නෑ, so I can use sine, right? So I will use sine. මේ values ටික හොයාගත්තට පස්සේ it's just a matter of adding and subtracting, right? So I will put sine 32 degrees 22 minutes equals opposite side in 5.96. Hypotenuse, I don't know, that is AB. Can you all find the sine value of 32 degrees 22 minutes? හැමෝම හොයන්න. එක්කෙනෙක් දෙන්නෙක් හොයලා answer කියනවා වගේ නෙමෙයි හැමෝම හොයන්න. 32 degrees 22 minutes. Okay, I got one answer. I only got one answer. What about others? I hope you have the log tables. Okay, I got another answer. I got another answer. So far I only got 3 answers. There are 9 of y'all. What about the other 6? What about the other 6? I hope you have a log table, huh? Log table as in sine cos table එක තියෙනවා කියන්නේ නැත්නම් textbook එකේ අන්තිමට තියෙනවනේ. Oh, quickly tell. Nilaka, what is the sine value of this? Tavisha, Binuti, what is the sine value of 32 degrees 22 minutes? Seneth, Tiseni, Newmi. Okay. Okay. 32 degrees. Can you all hear me? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. එහෙනම් හිතලම ඒ කියන්නේ මාව ඉග්නෝර් කරන්න. 32 degrees 22 32 degrees 32 degrees 20, that is 0.5348 5348 22 minutes, right? It 2, that is 5, so I have to add 5 here. I get 0.5353. 0.5353 is the answer. 5.96 divided by AB. So I will bring AB here and 5353 down here. 5.96 divided by 0.5353. So we have to go for logarithms, right? If there's anything that you don't understand, please tell me. Or if the speed is too much. Log 5.96 minus log 0.53 product by kakenane. Therefore, I will multiply by 10. So when I multiply by 10, 5.96 multiplied by 10, I get 59.6. Minus this multiplied by 10, I get 5.353. Okay. Can you all find the log value of 59.6? Quickly. Yes. 596 would be 7752. 7752 හැබැයි 0 point නෙවෙයි ආකනේ. ඔයගලංගේකේ 0 point වෙන්නේ නැති. මම 10 වලින් multiply කරපු ඉඳ මට එක decimal point එකක් පිටිපස්සට ගිහලා I get 1 point. Then 5.353, can you tell me the log value? 5.353 වල log value එක? Mm-hmm. 5353. 7286, no? Is that what you got? 7286, yes. So 7286. 2 වලින් 6 අඩු කරන්න බෑ. 12 වලින් 6 අඩු කරාම 6. Then 5 නෙවෙයි 4. 4 වලින් 8 subtract කරන්න බෑ. 14 වලින් 8 subtract කරාම 6. Then 7 නෙවෙයි 6. 6 වලින් 2 අඩු කරාම 4. Then 7 වලින් 7 අඩු කරාම 0. 1 වලින් 0 අඩු කරාම 1. So AB would be 1 antilog of 1.0466. Let's find that 0466 අපි read කරමු. 0466. 0466. 0453 තියෙනවා, that is 11111. 53 වලට වඩා 66 කියන්නේ 13 වැඩි. 13 කියන්නේ අපිට 13 නෑ, but 11 තියෙනවා, that is 3. So මෙතන 1 point හින්දා මම default හින්දා එකක් පස්සට ගිහිලා ගන්නවා. So I get 11.13 centimeters. So AB is 11.13. So ඔයගලන්ට මේක ගොඩාක් දිගයි වගේ පේන්නේ because I'm doing step by step ඔයගලන්ට explain කර කර එහෙම. But when you actually sit down and do it, it is a bit of a lengthy question, but if you are okay with, I mean, if you are familiar with sine, costan, log and all that, it will be very easy for you. Easy කියන්නේ ටටක් ගාලා කරන්න පුළුවන්. Please give me a second. Let me plug this. And finally, we have one more length to find. Eh? We have to find BD. How would I find BD here? How would we find BD here? How would we find BD here? What do you mean dividing the answers we got? එක්කෝ ගන්න පුළුවන් Pythagoras දාන්න. To this triangle, you can use Pythagoras because now you have hypotenuse and one length, so you can find the other length. Or යාට පුළුවන් ආයමත් sine හරි cos හරි tan හරි දාන්න. So here opposite side sine, I mean opposite side තියෙනවා, adjacent side one on there, you can put tan. However way you prefer. Okay? So I will just use tan. Is there any other method that you all use ළමයි? Shall we do it like that then? Tan 32 degrees 22 minutes. Opposite side 5.96. Adjacent side is BD. Are you all with me? Up to this point, is it clear? Okay, respond කරන්න ඒකයි. ඒතර I think that ඔයගලන්ගේ ඔළුව වෙන කොහරි ගිහිල්ලා හරි ඔයගලන් මෙතන class එක යද්දි වෙන මොකක් හරි වැඩක් හරි. That's what I feel there. Okay. Tan 32 degrees 22 minutes is 5.96 divided by BD. So tan 32 degrees 22 minutes ටග්ගල බලන්න ළමයි. Tan 32 degrees 22 minutes. Tan 32 degrees tan 32 degrees 20 කියන්නේ 0.6330 22 minutes යනවානේ. So if I get 2 minutes, I get 8. So make it 8 add කරන්න ඕනේ. So that means we get 0.6338. 5.96 divided by AB. So AB ma මෙතනට ගේනවා. Here I have 5.96 divided by 0.6338, which both sides I'm going to multiply by 10 just because I don't like bar. Final answer will be the same. Then log of AB will be equal to log of 59.6 because I multiplied by 10 minus log of 6.338. Log of 59.6 මෙතන කොහෙද අපි use කරන්නේ see 1.7752. So 1.7752 minus 6.338 තමයි අපි හොයන්න ඕනේ. log වලින්. Tables පටලව ගන්න එපා. Sine වලට sine table, cos වලටත් sine table, tan there's a tan table, logarithms there's a logarithmic table, right? So 6338. Logarithm 6338. 8 within 4, sorry, 8 within 5. 8019. 8019. Default position එකේ decimal place එක තියෙන්නේ 0 point. Now we will do the subtraction. 2 minus 9 back. 12 minus 9 is 3. So 5 never 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 7 minus 0 is 7. 7 minus 8 back. 17 minus 8 is 9. Then what do we get? AB is the antilog of this. Antilog of 0.9733. So we will find 9733. 973940933 eh? 9404. 9404. Since the 0 point in the decimal point should be at the default position, which is this. So when I round it off to 2 decimal places, I get 0.94. Sorry, 9.40 centimeters. Okay, that was a very lengthy calculation. But I think that is the point of this one. හොඳට මේ ඔක්කොම familiar වෙන තමයි මේ question එක දීලා තියෙන්නේ. 9.40. Up to this point, is it clear? Now it's just a matter of finding the perimeter and the area. I feel very tired also after doing all these calculations. But we did like 4 sequences, ne? Sine hewa, Pythagoras kara, sine hewa, tan hewa. Okay. Perimeter is very easy. You just have to add, right? Okay. My question I will take this values down here. Area එකයි perimeter එකයි නහන්නේ නේ? Okay. So I have my values down here. Okay, now we can easily find the perimeter. We just add 11.13 plus 9.40 plus 7.78 plus 5. මෙච්චර ලොකු ඒවා O levels වලට අහන්න නෑ ළමයි, don't worry. එකම දේ repeat කරන්න ඕනේ O levels වලට අහන්න. Okay? So we will add මෙතන 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. So 1. Then 1 remaining. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 1 remaining. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. 2 remaining. 2 plus 1 is 3. So I get 33.31 centimeters. Is this clear? Thumbs up, please. Okay, all right, great. Then area. This is a triangle, so area is half into base. Base can 9.40 plus 5. This is the base, right? So I will add. My computer is getting stuck a bit. I hope it's not too disturbing. 9.40 plus 5, right? So 40, 9 plus 5 is 14. So that is the length of the base, 14.40. 0 corner, I will just put 14.4. So half into base into perpendicular height. Perpendicular height is 5.96. So make a 2 and divide. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 2 is 4. So we just have to multiply this. Again, if you want to, you can use log tables for this multiplication, but I will just do it manually. 5.96 multiplied by 7.2. 2 times 6 is 12, 1 remaining. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 1, 19, 1 remaining. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1, 11. 7 times 6 is 42, 4 remaining. 7 times 9 is 63 plus 4 is 67, 6 remaining. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 6 is 41. 2, 11, 7, 8, 9, 2, 4. So decimal places are 1, 2, 3. We have to keep 3 decimal places. So I get 42.912 square centimeters because it's area. If you want to, you can round it off to 2 decimal places as 42.91 square centimeters. Is that clear? Okay. In the middle, I gave you a very lengthy question. So then there is a part angles in a vertical plane. Ekat mekama tamai. There's nothing like, the only difference is that then මෙතන අපි කතා කරන අපිට අපි කියන්නේ normal like surfaces නේ. It was a vertical planes එක මේ විදිහටම තමයි. Let's say මෙහෙම දිග let's say post එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ post එකේ මෙහෙම wire එකක් ඇදලා තියෙනවා. And it's like a right angle triangle. Then you are asked to find different lengths. So it's the same application. Homework වලට I want you all to try. By the way, can I ask where did we stop in past papers? Where did we stop in past papers? 2019, question number 9. ඊට කලින් කියන අපි කරපු lessons වල ඔක්කොම ඒවා කරලාද තියෙන්නේ? කරපු නැතිව obviously we didn't do, but කරපු ඒවා ඔක්කොම කරලාද තියෙන්නේ ඊට කලින්? What about the other, like I mean generally අපි කරපු නැතිව ටික exclude කරලා කරපු ටික විතරනේ කරේ. 2016 වල අපි කරපු lessons වල ඔක්කොම කරලා ඉවරද? 16 17 දෙකේ. All the questions that you do, mark it on the book, then it's easier for for you to instantly answer when I ask, or even for you all to get an idea. It's okay. Homework දාගන්න. So there's a bit more homework this week. 18.6 එකේ 6 එක. Okay. 18.6 එකේ 6th question. Then 18.7 එකේ 7 එකේ 4th question. Then I have to also explain you the calculator part. For that, I will share the textbook. Okay. Usually, lamai, it's very easy to find the sine, cost, and values of degree numbers. හැබැයි minutes හොයන එක ටිකක් අමාරුයි. ඒ කියන්නේ minutes trigonometric ඒ කියන්නේ like let's say 35 degrees long, it's easy to find. Tan 35, you can find it easily here. This is a scientific calculator. So we click tan, we click 35 on 3 and 5, and then we click equal. Then you get the value. Then sine 35 now, you click on sine 35 equal, you get the value. Cos 35 now, again on cos 35 equal, you get the value. But minutes and it becomes more complicated, right? Ekinda ek appe syllabus එකේ නැහැ how to calculate minutes, because there is a separate calculation to do, and then we can use a calculator, right? So it's just the degree values of angles, not the minute values. Then here මොකද දන්නවද? සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපේ calculator එකේ minutes විදියට නෙවෙයි එන්නේ. එන්නේ points විදියට. So usually අපි ගන්නේ degree numbers and then the rest is minutes, no? But here it's not like this, degree and then the rest is in points. Degree wala points විදියට එන්නේ ඒකයි. Okay? Don't worry, make a වැඩි exam එකේ එහෙම අහන්නේ නැහැ. හදිස්සිය නිකන් ඔය part 1 එකේ first there are 25 questions, no? So they might put a little bit, but they don't ask calculators much. So let's say you have been given tan theta is 1.2131 and you are asked to find theta value. So what you do is you switch on කෙලිම tan නුඹ නැහැ. කෙලිම tan නුඹුත් when that is when you are given the angle. But here they have not given you the angle. They have given the tan value and they are asking you to find the angle, right? So what you have to do is on color shift over now. Shift obala, then you click tan, then 1.2131 and equal. Then you get the angle value. Then let's say sine theta කියලා value එකක් දීලා තිනවා but angle එක දීලා නැහැ. So if you want to find that on, and then first you click on shift and then sine, then you click on the value and you get the answer. Again, cos වල angle value එක දීලා නැහැ but cos theta is this කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා but not the angle, right? So on shift cos, you type 0.5948 and equal, you get the value of the angle. It's very simple. Okay. Let me go back to the whiteboard. Okay. So more homework would be මේ දෙක විතරයි. ඊට පස්සේ Also, in your past papers, I have more homework. අපි චුට්ටක් past papers වල කරපු ටික නැති ටික mark කරගමු. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මට බලලා කියන්න first go to 2016 paper 2016 paper එකට යන්න. 2016. හරිද? Paper 1 එකේ part A අපි තාම කරේ නැහැ because part A is the first 25 questions no, so we have not done it yet. We'll keep it for a bit. Then part B එකේ Mr. Kitsiri question එක අපි කරා. The pie chart question we did. Third question is Mr. Pereira, who is an investor, එක අපි කරා. Then there are 3 red tennis balls and 1 green tennis ball. We did that, no? Fourth question. How එක්කෙනෙක් හරි මට thumbs up එකක් දෙන්න. Fourth question did we do? Yes, okay. Fifth one, sketch එක කරා, theatre එක කරා, auditorium stage එක කරා. Then paper 2 එකේ අපි graph question එක we did not do yet. Because අපි graph lesson එක කරලා ඉන්නවා. Then we did the time taken to examine a patient එක අපි කරා. Computer which is sold for a cash payment, that is the third question we did. For homework, ඒකේ fourth question එක mark කරගන්න. 2016 paper 2 fourth question. There you have to use trigonometric tables. Okay. And then fifth එක අපි කරා simultaneous එක. Then sixth එක the part P obtained by cutting a rectangular metal sheet we did. Seventh arithmetic progression, geometric progression we did. Eighth එක අපි කරේ නැහැ because that is construction. And then ninth එක we did not do because cyclic quadrilaterals ඒවා තියෙන හින්දා. 10th එක did we do? 10th එක we did. 11th එක we did. 12th did we do? 12th question. Did we do and did we discuss? 12th question. 12th question. 2016 12th question. Yes, no, we discussed. Okay. All right, so that is about 2016. එතන මම homework එක දැම්මා. Then let's go to the 2017 paper. මම කළා නැති ටික මේ mark කරගන්න ඕන එකයි. Obviously paper 1 එකේ part A 25 questions අපි තාම කරේ නැහැ. Then ඒකේ part B එකේ first question is household water tank is completely filled එක කරා. Given below is a sketch of a garden of a rectangular part, blah, blah, we did that. Varuna owned 100 shares of company A, we did that. Each student in grade 6, the pie chart question we did. A box contains 5 bulbs. That fifth question did we do? Yes. Then paper 2 okay, graph question of course we did not do yet. Mass of each other sweetmeats question එක කරා. Almira question එක කරා. Fourth question එක කරේ නැහැ. So mark that as homework. 2017 paper 2 fourth question. Then fifth එක කරා, sixth එක කරා, I remember. Seventh එක කරා, that is progressions. Eighth එක we didn't do because that is constructions. Ninth එක we didn't do because cyclic quadrilaterals තියෙනවා. 10, 11, 12 did we do in 2017? 10, 11, 12. Done and discussed, no? Okay. So that is about the 2017 paper. Let's go to the 2018 paper real fast. Did you ask? Okay. Okay, in 2018, paper 1, part A, first 25 questions we have not done. It's okay. Part B, a man intended to distribute. ඊපස්සේ How a student traveled, customs duty of 30%, then fourth question and fifth question. ඒ ඔක්කොම කරලා ඉවරද අපි? Paper 1 part B, the 5 questions have we done? Structured 5 questions. Alama, quickly tell me. 2018 wala? First question is a man up to 5 we did, but I didn't mark fourth question. Lamai fourth එක අපි mark කරාද? 2018 fourth question may structured essay. A bag contains 3 vanilla flavored milk packets, 2 chocolate flavored milk packets. Someone else? Quickly tell, quickly tell. We have not marked. Manisha විතරද දැන් mark කරලා තියෙන්නේ. අනිත් කවුරුත් mark කරලා නැද්ද? Binuti, have we done and marked the fourth question in 2018? A bag contains 3 vanilla flavored milk packets. A question එක අපි කරාද? Did we mark it? Did I correct it during the class? Okay, we have. Manisha පොඩ්ඩක් එක check කරලා බලන්න. We have corrected that. Fifth එක අපි කරා. Then paper 2 part A. අර මේක කරා. Then this we did. Graph question we did not do, of course. Then simultaneous equations we did. ඊට පස්සේ fourth එක තියෙන්නේ simultaneous equations, yes. And then we did the fifth one. The sixth one is a mean question එකක් කරා. Seventh එක progression. Eighth එක constructions we didn't do. Did we do the ninth one? In the parallelogram A, B, C, D එක කරාද? Ninth එක? Ninth question did we do? Okay. Tenth question we didn't do, but mark it as homework. 2018 class එක ඉවර කරන්න නෙමෙයි ළමයි. මට මේ දැන් මේක ඊළඟට move on වෙන කලින් I have to mark the homework. No, that's why. 10th question mark as homework. Then 11th we did, no? 11th එක මට මතකයි කරනවා. 12th we didn't do. That is 2018. Then 2019 wala paper 1 part A, the first 25 questions we didn't do. Paper 1 part B, total length of a drain kara, make a kara, Kumar runs a business we did. Frequency distribution we did. Did we do the fifth question? Or our sample space question hai kara dapi? Kara ne ek? Kara, yes, yes, yes. Then paper 2 okay. Interest question ek api kara. I'm gonna talk a bit slow, but I will increase the sound. First question we did. Second graph we didn't do. Third simultaneous we did. Fourth we did. Fifth we didn't do. Mark it as homework. Then sixth එක අපි discuss කරානේ. 7 and 9 did we discuss? 9? Nine did we discuss? Ninth question. Okay, we discussed, no? Okay. Then 10th, of course, we can't do. Can I ask 11th? Dogs, cats, 11th we did. Did we do the 12th one? 12th, 2019, 12th. No. One. Okay. එහෙනම් අපි ඒකත් homework විදියට දාගෙන 12th question එක because that is logarithms and all that, no? Make it 7th, 12th. Are all the homework clear to all of you? Please give me a thumbs up. All good. Okay. හරි. එතකොට දැන් trigonometry questions ඔක්කොම ටිකක් homework දුන්නා. I think that is all good. We will move on to cyclic quadrilaterals. Put the topic cyclic quadrilaterals. අග්ගාල මේ ටික අපි කරගෙන past papers වල කියන්නේ 2019 උත් almost ඉවරයි කියන්නේ අපිට part A's ටික කරන්න තියෙනවා 20 21 22 yeah all good. So put the topic cyclic quadrilaterals. So under cyclic quadrilaterals, of course, is geometry, no? So we are going to be talking about a few theorems, right? First of all, we have to learn what exactly is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So when we have a circle, when we have a circle, and let's say we have a quadrilateral, right? We have a quadrilateral like this. Quadrilateral එකේ vertices හතරම circle එක උඩ තියෙන්න ඕනේ. All the four vertices of the quadrilateral should be on the circle. Okay, like this. Like this. Okay. If all the four vertices of a quadrilateral can any closed shape with four sides, right? Any closed shape with four sides is a quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, if all the four vertices are on the circle, lying on the circle, we call it a cyclic quadrilateral. So if you take these examples, these are straight away from the textbook. Do you think this Roman number 1, is this a cyclic quadrilateral? Is this a cyclic quadrilateral? According to what I said, if all the vertices of the quadrilateral lie on the circle, it's a cyclic quadrilateral. Is this cyclic quadrilateral? Yes, of course. Why? බලන්න මේ vertices හතරම they are lying on the circle. So it is a cyclic quadrilateral. What do you think about Roman number 2? Is it a cyclic quadrilateral? I'm sorry, I hope it's not too noisy. There's a dinner in my house. I hope it's not too noisy for all. Let me know if it's noisy. I can move to a different location. Okay. Roman number 2, is it a cyclic quadrilateral? Yes, it is. Why? See? මෙයා ඉන්නේ එක vertex එකක් circle එකේ. මෙයාත් circle එකේ. මෙයාත් circle එකේ. මෙයාත් circle එකේ. And then what about Roman number 3? No. Why? This and this are on the circle, but මෙයා ඉන්නේ circle එකෙන් එළිය. So it's not a cyclic quadrilateral. What about Roman number? This is Roman number 4. No. Why? This on the circle, however, this is inside the circle. So this is also not a cyclic quadrilateral. So cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a closed shape of four sides where all the vertices lie on the circle. On the circle, again, a circle like a line. Let's write a point. Make it a point. We won't do anything unnecessary. Api important right? A, B, C, D. So here we can write quickly write. Quickly write. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, Lamai. So let's talk about theorem number 1. Right. Api mulima theorem එක ලියලා So it's the same theorem that is on the textbook. So I will copy paste that. Theorem එක ලියන්න බලන්න. Theorem එක ලියන්න ලියන්න, then I will explain. All right. So let's talk about an example. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now this is a cyclic quadrilateral. No? Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So when we say angles, like maybe it's 2 angles, maybe it's 3 angles, 4 angles, if we say a certain number of angles are supplementary, what that means is that when you add all those angles, it adds up to 180. The angles add up to 180. Now here we say the opposite angles are 180. That means if you consider this angle and this angle, those two are 180. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ angle එක BAD නේ. This is BAD. This is BCD. So when you add BAD and BCD, the sum is 180. That is why we say supplementary. Supplementary means the angles add up to 180. Okay. Also, අනිත් දෙන්න කවුද? මෙන්න මේ දෙන්න. May I got it. These are also opposite angles, right? Opposite. Opposite angles are again supplementary. ABC and ADC. That means when you add ABC and ADC, these add up to 180 degrees. Is this clear, Lamai? Is this clear? Did you understand this theorem? Others? Quickly write this one. Abhi step by step yamu tagala. Quickly write this. I might have to. No problem. Okay. Okay. Done, Lamai? I'll give you 1 more minute. Make it fast. Okay. Now let's talk about an example. Right. Make it done. Give me a thumbs up, please. Example 1. For the examples, I'm going to use the same ones that is on the exercise 21.1. आप ये examples take make a practice करो. So one of the examples that I'm going to take is this. So here we have to find the value of x and y. Okay. Is this a cyclic quadrilateral? Is this a cyclic quadrilateral? Anamai? Is this a cyclic quadrilateral? If you take this, yes, it is a cyclic quadrilateral. That means opposite sides should add up to 180. Okay, let's try. May angle like may angle like opposite sides, right? That means VST plus VUT. They are opposite angles, so they should add up to 180. So for the reason you can write sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 or supplementary. Okay. So VST is x plus 10. So instead of VST, I write x plus 10. VUT here is 130 equals 180. So we have x plus 130 plus 10 is 140 was 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 140, that is 40 degrees, right? That is how you get the value of x. Let's try the other two opposite sides. Here we have UVS and UTS. So those should also be supplementary, right? UVS plus UTS should also add up to 180. So I will get the same reason here. UVS is y plus 10. UTS is 80. Y plus 80 plus 10 is 90. So y is equal to 180 minus 90. Therefore, y is equal to 90 degrees. Did you understand this? Is it clear? Others? Quickly give me a thumbs up. Okay. Quickly write this one, Lamai. Quickly write this one. Then let's try something that is a bit more complicated. Let me know when you're done writing this, Lamai. Then I'm going to give you something to try alone. Okay, others done? Give me a thumbs up. Those of you who have finished. Okay. Shall we try this? This is a bit more complicated. Make it previous geometry knowledge ka tone vena. And we have previous geometry knowledge no. So ekat use karalash. We have to find the value of x, y, and z. We have to find the value of x, y, and z. X uthwandone, y uthwandone, z uthwandone. Quickly do this, Namai. I can give you like 5-6 minutes, not more than that. Make it fast. Let me know in a Namai. Okay, Pinoti done. Others? I'll give you 1 more minute. Okay. Okay. Shall we slowly start to discuss? Because today I have to finish the class sharp at 9:30. අපි දැන් හිමි හිමි discuss කරන්න පටන් ගමු. Okay? All right. So we have X here, we have Y here, we have Z here. We have 34 here, 27 here. Okay. Can you see that? This is the diameter, no? This is the diameter. Then this is the angle subtended by the diameter. Then what is the value of this angle? What is the value of that angle? Alamai? If that is a diameter and the angle comes from the diameter, what is the value of that angle? 90 degrees, right? This is from grade 10, nah? It is a right angle. So, this is 90 degrees. Okay, if this is 90 degrees and this is 34, let's consider this small triangle. If you consider this small triangle, this is 34, this is Z, this is 90. Then I can find the value of Z very easily, no? Why? Z plus 34 degrees plus 90. First of all, we have to write the value of 90. We'll first write the value of 90. RTU equals 90. Reason is angle in a semicircle. Then here Z plus 34 plus 90 equals 180. Reason is sum of interior angles of a triangle. So that is Z plus here 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 124 equals 180. So Z is equal to 180 minus 124. So then what is the value of Z, Lamai? Zero minus 4 is 6. 17 minus 12 is 5. That is 56, right? Up to that point, is it clear? Is that part clear to you? Okay. එහෙනම් දැන් ඔන්න අපි Z වල value එක දන්නවා. Right? So මම මෙන්න මේක erase කරලා මම Z වලට දාන්න. It's 56. It is 56, right? If we consider this cyclic quadrilateral, right? If you consider this cyclic quadrilateral, this angle and this angle should be supplementary, right? So this full angle is x plus 34. This full angle is x plus 34, right? And then this full angle is, now you have to add 27 and 56. So 27 and 56. I'm really sorry for any noise that you might be getting. Okay, so when you add the opposite angles, it should add up to 180. That is a theorem that we just learned, right? Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So we will add all of this. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 1 remaining. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Equals 180. Therefore, x is equal to 180 minus 117. So, x is equal to 0 minus 7 is 3. Then 17 minus 11 is 6. So, it's 63. Did you all understand up to that point? Did you all understand up to that point? Everybody, others? Okay. Others, Numi, Onilka, Senate. Finally, we have to find the value of y. So, x is 63 degrees on ekathare. Now, if you consider this little triangle, can you see that this is an isosceles triangle? Since this is an isosceles triangle, if this is y, this would also be y. Eka harida? Eka clear the thumbs up, please. Okay. Then we are going to look at this cyclic quadrilateral. Which one? Menna mea. Mea cyclic quadrilateral because all the vertices are on the circle. I'm going to add the opposite angles. Ek opposite angle එකක් තමයි මෙයා. එයාගේ opposite angle එක මෙන්න මෙයා. Right? Therefore, I'm going to write මේ angle එක y plus 34. Right? So, y plus 34. May angle like a 90 plus y. 90 plus y. When you add, you get, 180. The reason is the same reason as this. So, we'll add y plus y is 2y. 90 plus 34 is 124 equals 180. So 2y equals 180 minus 124. 2y equals 0 minus 4, that is 10 minus 4 is 6. 17 minus 12 is 5, 56. Therefore, y is equal to 56 divided by 2, which is 28. Is that clear? Okay. Okay. We will stop there. Mama homework with thawa එකක් add කරනවා. මොකද next week අපිට extra class එකක් කොහොමත් කරන්න බැරි වෙයි. මොකද ඔයාලට exam තියෙන හින්දා. So I will add one more homework to the list. 2020 වල paper 1 එකේ part B එක කරා. So part B එකේ තියෙනවා there's question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. Are the homework clear to all of you? Okay. So may homework ටික තමයි next day අපි correct කරන්නේ and we will continue the cyclic quadrilaterals as well. I will take a screenshot of the homework as well so that I can forward in the group. So අපේ group එක this one, no? All right. So we will end the class then, Namai. Next week, I guess, as our usual time, Thursday, that is 8th of January, Thursday, we will meet. But ඊට පස්සේ සතියේ ඉඳන් අපි extra classes ටික schedule කරගමු. From whatever we did today, is everything clear, Namai? Okay. All right. Then we'll see in another week. Study well and have a great week. And good night, Lamai.